Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we will be going through the top 5 best Forex brokers with South African Rand accounts. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this video. Let's get started. Coming in at number 5, we have XM. XM is an online, fully regulated global financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, standard, XM ultra low, and shares accounts that come equipped with negative account balance protection, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. XM also offers their very own educational center, which delves into various trading educational videos, a daily live stream, and free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. At number 4 on our list, we have IQ Option. IQ Option is another globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, options, stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and ETFs. Featured platform is available on the IQ Option trading application, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature standard and VIP accounts with up to 500 tradable assets, weekly tournaments, and a 24-hour live chat support feature. IQ Option also provides their very own daily news panels, as well as free video tutorials that cover in-depth discussions for you to watch as you please. IQ Option have also won multiple awards such as 2017's Award of Excellence, Best Technology Application, Best Mobile Trading Platform, and more, making IQ Option a solid choice for a financial broker that provides trading with the South African Rand. Coming in at number 3, we have Markets.com. Markets.com is another great, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, indices, bonds, commodities, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, the Marketscom platform, as well as their very own mobile trading platform known as Marketscom Mobile, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature one standard live trading account with a range of tradable market assets, leveraged trading, bonuses and promotions, and more. Markets.com also provides their very own educational center, which features daily news and market analytics, as well as a trading live streaming service and free webinars which include expert presenters that delve into various in-depth trading topics for the absolute best educational experience. At number 2 on our list, we have fxcm. fxcm is another great online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms are available on their very own web trading station, MetaTrader 4 and NinjaTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature mini, standard, and active trader accounts with lower spreads, leverage, up to 40 tradable currency pairs, and a variety of tradable market assets. fxcm also provides their very own education center, which delves into beginner Forex trading courses that cover a variety of trading topics, as well as a free online video library which covers platform functionality guides, defining Forex for beginners, and more for you to watch and browse through as you please. And at number 1 on our list, we have avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, FX options, ETFs, bonds, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include negative balance protection, risk warnings, and a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and avatrade's Web Trader, and of course, for all your mobile needs, avatrade's mobile options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into topics such as professional trading techniques, economic indicators, platform functionality, lessons, and more for you to gain any additional education you might be looking for. Avatrade have also won multiple awards such as the #1 broker, most innovative CFD broker, best alert and trading execution systems, and many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online financial broker that trades with the South African Rand. And those are our top 5 best Forex brokers with South African Rand accounts. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which financial broker is your overall personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.